One man who truly loves Nickel Plate Berkshires is Jim Kreider. Coming from a nickel plate family and growing up along its tracks in Erie, Pennsylvania, and volunteering with the 765, he has gone the extra mile by designing and creating 33 examples of the Lima Berkshires in 1/8 scale, live steam models. Working from original Lima locomotive works drawings, his engines look so much like the full-size engines that it's hard to tell they're models in some photos. He says that of those kits, 16 have been completed by their owners and can be found on live steam tracks all across the United States, with one in England. One of Jim's engines, numbered 757 by builder and owner Gene Lerwig, on exhibit with the real 757 at the Mad River and Nickel Plate Railroad Museum in Bellevue, Ohio. If you'd like more information on these wonderful engines, visit his Berkshire Modelers group on Facebook.